Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Pemko number 218D. This is a saddle type threshold is what it is. Considered a residential type threshold, very typical, very commonly used in residential applications underneath front doors, back doors, garage doors, etc. Saddle, because if you use your imagination, it's shaped like a saddle. And these little doodads you see hanging off here are the inserted vinyl rubber boots that are fit into the extrusion, the profile of the extrusion down here. So when you're seeing that, that's what that is. Makes a nice seal when you attach your threshold down to the sill. The logic of that is to keep, water infiltration from underneath the threshold. And a lot of people will say, hey, should I install the threshold down on top of a bead of caulk? Yeah, sure, that's a good idea. The vinyl insert here kind of, becomes the bead of caulk, so to speak. I think it's always a good idea. Dimensionally, this item can be reviewed below the video, and that is, let's go over it now, shows it at 3.5 inches wide, 5/8 tall, and you want to just be sure that the 5/8 height of this threshold is going to work with your existing undercut, or if it's a new installation, you can plan accordingly. Your door is going to, of course, sit over the plateaued section of the top. Your door sweep will, communicate to either side of the threshold or whatever it is that you're using. This is the 218D. The 218 is representative of the profile with the vinyl boot inside of it on both sides. The D means dark anodized bronze, available from Pemko in several different finishes. Mill aluminum finish, bright dip gold, satin nickel, dark bronze obviously, painted, I believe even painted white. This is the 218, looking at the list here. Satin nickel, painted white, gold, bright dip gold, which is a much more metallic looking color, dark bronze, and the mill aluminum finish. Available in several different lengths as well. If you have a need for a custom length, by all means, feel free to let us know by ordering the next longest piece or pieces and indicate in the comment field what length you'd like for us to cut the material back to. The reasoning is if you had to take this 36-inch piece and cut it down to, say, 30-inch, you'd likely eliminate that countersink there. And the next one's all the way here in the middle. So if you order a custom length, we'll not only locate that first countersink at the proper distance from the edge, but the proper center to center as well. And speaking of countersinks, screws are included in a complementary finish. That's about a number 10 by 1.5 inches. There's an option for a water pan, or if there is an option for a water pan, there currently is. A water pan is a sheet of a piece of sheet metal that's usually aluminum or brass that would sit underneath here and help prevent premature compromise to the sill. And while with a threshold like this, it's atypical, and really you see water pans in water return type thresholds or interlocking thresholds. As far as I'm concerned, it's not a bad idea to have one because it's at least one more layer of protection underneath the threshold. The aluminum one is so inexpensive you could almost discard it if you decided not to use it. Okay. Again, residential in nature. It's not handicap compliant because it's too tall, and would be very typical for garage doors, attached garage doors, etc. Nice quality item from Pemko, who is a full-line manufacturer of all things weather stripping related. Not only things intended for residential use like this, but commercial thresholds, door sweeps, perimeter gasketing. Material made of aluminum like this, stainless steel, architectural bronze as well. Any questions on the Pemko number 218D residential type saddle threshold or any other Pemko product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.